In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use realistic blend effect in Photoshop. First, open Adobe Photoshop and bring in the image you want to work with. You can open it directly or simply drag it into the workspace. Either way is fine. Make sure your image is on a layer and visible, and that your text will sit above it so the effect can interact with the picture underneath. Select the Type tool and type out your text. Pick a font and size that fit your composition, and choose a color that contrasts with the background for now. This makes the blending easier to see while you adjust it. You can always refine the color later once the effect is in place. In the Layers panel, right-click on your text layer and choose Blending Options. This opens the layer style window. Look for the section called Blend If. This is where the magic happens. You'll see two gradient sliders. The one labeled Underlying Layer controls how the tones from your background image show through the text. Drag the white slider to the left to let bright highlights peek through your letters, and drag the black slider to the right to allow darker shadows to cut into the text. This creates that realistic printed on or painted into look. For a smooth, natural transition, hold the Alt or Option key while you click and drag either half of a slider to split it. Splitting the sliders feathers the blend, preventing harsh edges and keeping textures like wood grain, fabric, or skin pores looking believable across your text. Take your time here. Small moves go a long way. Toggle the preview on and off to compare and aim for an effect that looks integrated rather than pasted on. If you close the layer style window, open blending options again and enable drop shadow. Keep it subtle. A soft, low opacity shadow helps anchor the text to the surface. Choose an angle that matches the lighting in your image, then adjust distance to set how far the shadow falls and size to soften the edge. Opacity should be just enough to hint at depth without drawing attention to itself. If your scene has a specific color cast, you can tint the shadow slightly to match, which adds realism. And that's it. You've blended your text seamlessly with the image using Blend If, then finished it with a tasteful shadow for depth. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.